You'll never have these secrets told. Secrets told.
Welcome, cadets and sleuths. Welcome to #GargiCard, a virtual interactive murder mystery experience. Let me explain you how this #GargiCard experience works. You can register to this experience by going to #GargiCard's landing page. The link for our landing page, you will find it on our website www.rangaitheatrecompany.in. On the landing page, you will also find case-related materials, which will give you an overview about the murder, the investigating team, and the witnesses. Now you will receive an email with suspect information, case information, and what's at stake. It is always helpful if you are thorough with the case to download the case files and read them. Some of you might have chosen role-playing category, in which case you will also receive character info and task sheet via WhatsApp. Your character will have integral part in the investigation, and you will have dialogues to say and certain responsibilities to handle. The next day, you will be added to a WhatsApp group where you can discuss your theories, and headquarters will share case-related evidence and pieces of information for you. On day 1, you will be called to a briefing via Zoom, where your commanding officers, Senior Inspector Gaitonde, which is myself, and Detective Anamika will explain you the case, present you forensic evidences, and you will also have opportunity to interrogate some of the witnesses via Zoom. A good detective always carries a notepad and a pen, so it is recommended that you carry a pen and a notepad to have a concrete source for your information. Now you are sent into different meeting rooms. Here you get a chance to interrogate witnesses and suspects. As a team, you get 5 minutes each with 5 witnesses, and a bonus round where you can choose whom you want to interrogate as your 6th witness. Once the briefing and introduction ends, day 1, act 1, introduction and briefing ends, and you will have a lot of information to process and come up with theory. It is recommended to use WhatsApp group and Google Jamboard to manage your thoughts and clues. After day 1 session on Zoom, headquarters shall continue sending you pieces of evidence, reports, and clues via WhatsApp group. This might help you with the case, so make sure you are active on WhatsApp. Make use of the WhatsApp group to gather as much information from the members of the other team. It is recommended that you take notes of the evidences and findings of the case and use them to create a timeline of the events leading to the murder. Gaitonde's pro tip: the more you interact with your fellow detectives, the more you dig into the evidence provided, the better it is to solve the case. So, stay sharp. On day 2, you will be called for the investigation session via Zoom in the evening, where you will vote individually whom you think is the murderer. Based on statements that we have received during our investigation, we shall cross-examine some of the witnesses for more clues and leads towards our investigation. Your inputs and findings will help a lot in our investigation. Make sure you are alert at all times, as some subtle hints will help you solve the whole damn case. Finally, feel free to improvise and use your creativity. Remember, this is an interactive show. Only with your enthusiasm and participation, you will get the full experience of this show. Enjoy the show. This is your commanding officer, Senior Inspector Gaitonde, signing off. Jai Hind, cadets.